Good morning, YouTube. Geo here. Today I am changing out the pilot on this Southbend range. I worked on this a few times before. Changed the oven thermostat and a couple other parts. Customer wanted me to come and replace the burner assembly. Show you what it looks like. This one now is the pilot. That's the new one. And to get access to it, you got to take the grills out of the oven, take that back panel off, and then you should be able to just pull this out, and it should be right there. So I'm gonna disassemble it and then be right back. All right, so let me get this part out of the way. And you could see now, should be able to just lift and pull this bottom section out, and that will give you access to the pilot. Let's go do that. Look at this, the thermostat. I noticed it kind of got a bend in it. I installed this. I remember making sure that it was straight. I guess the heat caused it to kind of swag down. All right, let me pull this bottom one out. That way we see what it looks like. All right, so I got the bottom base all pulled out. There's it right there. It just comes right out, nice and easy. It has these little track it slides on. And this is what we're gonna replace out of here today. The pilot. Right, let me open this up, that way I can get access a little bit better. Alright, so see, I got the thermocouple out. Has a nut on it here. Now one of the things you gotta be careful of is when you're trying to pull the thermocouple out, this nut was actually in here, and you're unscrewing this nut to unsecure it. Be careful that this wire here isn't turning as well, because I had to use my pliers grip here while I'm turning this nut. That way this wire don't, twist around and damage the thermocoupler. So I got that off. So now I'm taking off the pilot here, and this is what we're replacing here. So let me get that off. I'm just unscrewing it here. Then it's gonna come separate the tube. And I can change that part. This one, what the new part looks like. And that's the part number. Gotta freeze it to see, I guess. Alright, so let me go and get this part replaced. Be right back.